Hi there, greetings. My name is MD Abdul Qadir Chaudhry Hadi, and today I am with myself and presenting a video PowerPoint presentation for BMW. And my subject is contemporary issues in sustainable business, which is BABM 2002. And this is assessment 1, and my P number is P2894259, and my tutor name is Maria Alexander, and today's submission date is 17th of November. My presentation is on BMV and the UN Sustainable Development Goals. I will pay attention to the ways in which BMW may important SDG 10 reduce inequalities to enhance its sustainability strategy in the global context. It is hoped that the executive board will be pursued that social inclusion, fairness and equality can generate both ethical and economic values to the company. And now I'm gonna talk about the company overview. BMW is established in 1916 and the headquarters of its Munich in Germany. BMW is a top automotive manufacturer in the world, which is characterized by innovations and high quality. It has a high presence in more than 140 nations all over the world. By shifting to a sustainable mobility, by electrification and circular economy, the company is shifting profitability to environmental responsibility. Now I'm going to talk about BMW's current sustainability strategy. The sustainability plan used by BMW is very developed concerning environmental and operational efficiency, but it is rather concentrated on minimization of emissions and electrification. BMW has an increased chance to enhance its sustainability leadership by focusing on social inclusion and equality as the domains that are not well represented in the current sustainability portfolio yet. Now I'm going to talk about the UN Sustainable Development Goals, or UN SDGs. The SDGs of UN are global agenda that directs business to sustainable development. They emphasize in interrelation of social, economic, and environmental objectives. BMW has already achieved a lot in climate-related SDGs, yet it can further extend its sustainability through the implementation of objectives that will be based on social equity and global fairness. Now I'm going to talk about selected SDG 10. SDG 10 reduced inequalities can be used to supplement the sustainability mission of BMW, as it focuses on issues of fairness and inclusivity. It provides equal opportunities between suppliers and employees in the global operations of the company. Through these focuses, BMW will be able to create a better, more inclusive, and socially responsible brand that would be more appealing to the international stakeholders more. Now I am talking rationale for SDG 10 commitment. by SDG 10 would make BMW a social responsible promoter to support its environmental initiatives. Through combating inequity, BMW will be able to enhance its reputation on the international level, attract socially responsible investors, and win the loyalty of employees and customers who believe in inclusive and equality. Now I'm going to talk about the recommendations inclusive supply chain program. BMW has supply chain across all continents, hence equality in this aspect has significant effects. Collaborating with small and diverse suppliers helps to include the economy and enhances the ESG profile and reliance of BMW to reputational and regulatory risks. Now I'm talking the second recommendation, workforce diversity and inclusion drive. The inclusion of diversity in leadership and recruitment increases innovation, decision making, and creativity in BMW. Inclusive hiring and equal pay audits also assist in attracting and retaining the best talents, which promotes motivation and the company culture globally. Now I will talk about the third and last recommendation, accessible mobility. Affordable mobility promotes equality in that every community should enjoy sustainable transport. These projects increase the market scope of BMW, enhance its brand image and its mission of mobility to all in an inclusive and sustainable manner. After observing a long way, in conclusion, we can see that in short, by implementing SDG 10, BMW will be able to build an inclusive form of growth and also promote its social image and competitiveness. Such specific measures make sure that there will be quantifiable improvement and make BMW a leader in sustainability within the global automobile market.